Hello everyone, myself Irene Barua, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Assam Downtown University. So today I'll be talking about some of the basic concepts in digital image processing using Matlab. So I'll be explaining the importance of digital image processing, pixel, image file formats, and basic image processing with Matlab. So going on to the concept of digital image processing. So here, an image may be defined as a two-dimensional visual information that are stored and displayed. An image is created by photosensitive devices which capture the reflection light from two-dimensional surface of object in the three-dimensional real world, as you can see here in this figure. So here each image has intensity or gray value in x to y coordinate plane. If it is finite and discrete quantities, then image is called digital image. Next, here some digital images are shown in this figure. So digital image processing or DIP has different techniques for processing of digital images. So DIP has been applied in many fields with technological advances such as medicine, geographical information technologies, space sciences, military applications, security, or industrial applications. So going on to a pixel. So pixel, or you can say picture elements, or you can say it as PEL, may be defined as the smallest addressable element in the digital image. So pixels of a colored image have red, green and blue-gray values, as you can see here in this figure. So going on to importance of image file formats. These formats are important for printing, scanning, using on the internet, etc. So the different formats which are used, or you can say the most common formats which are being used are JPG, TIF, PNG and GIF. So let us explain some of these concepts. So going on to JPG or Joint Photographic Expert Group, this is the most common standard for compressing digital image. It is used in web pages, documents, emails, etc. because digital images have smaller size than other file formats. However, JPG images have very low resolution. Then going on to TIF or Tagged Image File Format. So TIF or TIFF has the best resolution for using commercial works. Although it is very high quality, the files have very big size. Going on to GIF or Graphics Interchange Format. So this was used in 8-bit video for the people connecting to the internet using dial-up modem, which was designed by CompuServe. And lastly, PNG or Portable Network Graphics. This format has smaller size than TIF and more resolution than GIF and JPG. Nowadays it is used in the web pages because of having transparency property. So going on to basic image processing with Matlab. So Matlab is a very simple software for coding. So all the data variables in Matlab are thought of as a matrix, and matrix operations are used for analyzing them. So Matlab has different toolboxes according to application areas. So here Matlab image processing toolbox is presented and use of its basic functions for digital image is explained. So going on to the first topic is read, write and show image. So for reading an image we use imread function. So if we run this function with requiring data, image is converted to a two-dimensional matrix with rows and columns including gray level in each cell. And as we know, gray image is two-dimensional but colored image is three-dimensional. So this is the basic syntax. Then imread function only needs an image file. It is the result of imread function is equals to a variable, a matrix variable I is created. File name, extension, and directory path that contains image must be written between two single quotes. If script and image file are in the same folder, path is not necessary. The matrix variable of image is showed using imshow function. If many images show with sequence on different figure windows, we use figure function for opening new window. So invert function is used to create an image. This function only requires a new image file name with extension. So if the new image is saved to a specific directory, the path of directory is necessary. So these are some of the most common commands and functions which are being used. So first is the clear command. This is used to clear all workspace. Then comes the close all command. This is used to close all opened images. CLC command is used to clear the command windows. Invert function is used to simply read an image. Imshow function is used to show an image. Invert function is used to create a new image that has a different format, and the last command is used to create new image that has different format and save specific directory. So these are some of the most basic concepts which you have to know in order to use Matlab. So this is all for today. Thank you.